listed 4 hours ago, dude, like you need to be in this guy's ear.
You need to be driving Indiana right now, dude.
You need to be in this guy's pants.
Yeah.
Hey, red flag. Moving on.
Nope. Oh.
No. We don't f with this car if we see this.
If it's diamond stitched, it ain't your bitch. Let's move on.
That's right.
Damn.
Put it on a t-shirt.
All right, I get it. You guys have never cheaply modded your car. Fine.
No, I know exactly what
whatever.
you're talking about.
I know you know what I'm talking about, but these guys, Jesus
because I'm Mexican, right? I get it, dude. I got you.
Here's a 2004 Nissan 350Z, $7,000 Daytona Blue with a gigantic APR wing.
Good color.
Custom exhaust, real carbon fiber wing, cold air intake.
Boy.
Owned it for 3 years, never had a check engine light. Box of goodies comes with it. That's right, folks. That is not an illusion. 127,000 miles.
Yeah,
it's an 04. So you're
Isn't
in
this the
oil
Isn't
burner
this the
phase.
transmission of glass? Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah,
different year.
it's both. It's both. You get the CD08 and you get the bad piston rings of the early VQ. So
yay!
This is
So avoid
it's
this
a winner
year.
all around.
Avoid.
How much is this? Oh man, I'd do it anyway. I'd do it anyway. $7 grand.
No, you wouldn't.
Do it anyway.
No.
Yeah, $7 grand ain't bad.
That's a good. Yeah, it's a good price.
For this, with this big ass wing on it, you
He'll
know
take
this
6.
thing's already on.
But
should
Lil
take
Cargo,
6.
Glass
Lil Cargo
pipes.
wants the wing.
Yeah, leave that on there. That
I'm
looks
saying
sick.
no.
Yeah.
I'm saying with the big ass wing and blast pipes, you know this thing is already on borrowed time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's
No,
been
But with the
abused,
gray,
yeah.
the gray interior gives it a little bit of time back. That's kind of lame.
It's been abused, but it's used to it, so you can just keep abusing it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, fart limiter, classic
Crazy
fart limiter blowout.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
weird fart distribution pattern.
No, that's right where you'd expect it.
Yeah. It's
No, it's just like you've got the
high
sharp
pressure.
Yeah,
farts.
The carrot. Yeah, that is odd.
Yeah.
It's a high
Yeah.
pressure farts.
That blast pattern, it's crazy.
Out of everything that we've looked at so far, I say this is it. This is the one.
How much are
This
they
is
asking
the-
for this?
$7 grand.
This is the one.
I
but
mean-
I don't know. Maybe call up a local shop and see what it costs to swap a transmission in.
Are they
That's
that
gonna go
bad?
first.
I mean, if
It'll
it's
go.
still working now, it'll still be working tomorrow, right?
The problem
But
is he
if
has
you
to go to
just drive
Missoula,
it like
Montana.
a normal human being, you'll be fine.
Yeah. It'll just burn a ton of oil,
Nah, she gonna
and
pop.
then
I say,
just
I say do it anyway. It'll be a fun trip.
Throw
Yeah,
throw
just do
Restore
it.
and Protect in it.
That'll save it.
What's that oil you put in that Subaru before you sold it?
Restore and
is it-
Protect. Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. The neck here was right. Throw that in there.
It did neither. Ultimately,
Here
is
prolong and delay. There you go.
He's really yeah. That's pretty good on the bottle.
Prolong and delay.
That's pretty good.
Lil Cargo wants to know if you guys would go with me to pick it up.
I'd go to Montana with you, dude. We could go get a 350Z.
That's probably why that one's so cheap.
Missoula's badass.
I don't like this one. The interior's nice. Oh, that's not primer.
Oh,
no,
wait,
this one's
actually-
fine.
No. I was gonna say that's not
It's
what's
fine.
I saw it was gray, and I wasn't really paying attention.
That's fair. That is fair because normally when they are this shade of gray, it is primer.
Yeah. So what's going on here? Why is he put a lot of hours into this vehicle to bring it back to its condition and potential? This is a 5-speed
Sus.
manual OEM. It was never switched from auto to manual. ? I have a brand new tires and rims that I just put on Sunday with receipt and paperwork. I've repaired things I've done to it. I still need to install the racing headers and a few things. 7,500 OBO. When it's like 5 minutes after they put something on, it's always like, well, why? Why did you bother with the wheels?
Sounds like a project.
Yeah.
Like it's obviously he had a video of it running. Like that's not terribly sus.
It's a long drive to be disappointed. Like you got to ask this guy a lot of questions before you go to Fort Wayne, Indiana, to take a
and he
look.
seems like illiterate, so you're gonna have a really hard time.
Yeah, this is gonna be a struggle.
maybe you guys speak the same language. Who knows?
Give it a shot.
Yeah, you never know.
It's not bad.
It's not.
And I don't hate the wheels.
And the paint's not roached.
It needs little things
Not
that I can
terribly
see,
roached. Sure.
but yeah, whatever. Ask him a ton of questions. Figure out what's going on with this thing.
Yeah, just add underglow and just make a TikTok and you'll be fine.
This one might be. I would say this one's actually at the top of the pack at this point. Even
For
with
sure.
160K.
For sure, that one's at the top.
Yeah.
Over the Z?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is a time bomb.
Yeah, well, I mean, they're all
It is.
time bombs, but
Look, all I'm saying is
Ooh.
it looks like it's a language
Oh.
barrier. Ask the dude a ton of questions, and I don't know, it might be a good deal.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree.
that wheel, calling it now.
Look at this.
What do you think he took that picture with?
It's centered. That's insane.
What the f?
That picture looks like he took it, I don't know, maybe in the afternoon. What do you think?
Yeah, like a nice sunny afternoon in October.
I think
Inside,
I feel like
9.
it's a November.
I think this was
picture.
right before
Outside-
going to work, I'd have to say.
9. Yeah.
Oh yeah, shit, the reflection.
It's like I gotta sell this. It's making me broke.
Why is he dressed like a Ghostbuster?
What the are those tires?
He's dressed like he's got dad's suit on.
I think that's
Those
the
are-
winter
those are-
set.
Those are
That's
Michelins.
what I would guess is their words.
Yeah,
They
it's-
have to be
it is-
winter set, yeah.
Hey, what is this piece of?
Here's an 06
Man, I don't
350.
care about that at all.
Oh, this? Some sort of 5 Series.
I care
Yeah,
nothing
don't worry about it.
for this.
Yeah, don't worry
Yeah,
about
that's like double. That's double the ask here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's enthusiast
God,
Z.
Bolt on.
Did this motherfucker tire shine his fucking tire?
No, the street's wet.
His tire shined the street.
It rained,
Tire
yeah.
shine the street. No,
His
yeah,
tires are bald as.
They are. Blast pipes, stupid wing, stock wheels.
Hell
All
yeah.
right.
Hell
Oh,
yeah.
some sparkles.
Oh yeah.
Momo
Yeah, it
kick
needs
release.
tires. Needs
AFE,
tires.
Takeda
Yeah.
intake,
Momo kick-
Z1 intake,
kick
plenum
release.
spacer, test pipes, Megan Racing Y pipe. Holy shit.
Oh, katana shifter. Oh.
Z1 hoses, CSF performance radiator, Z-Speed metal splash shield. It's got a tune from Uprev on it, so it bangs and pops, and it is ready to die. Demon Eyes headlight mod. Demon Eyes headlight mod. This picture is everything you need to know about this
Yep.
car. Sub
Yep.
in the patch, just needs radiator fans, clean title in hand,
In
7,500. He will take $5,300 for it, and
Wow.
no lower 4K in mods alone.
Who's gonna offer him more than 53 then?
Yeah, that doesn't make
Yeah,
any
like
sense
he's
at all.
an idiot.
Yeah. Ask him if he'll take 5,200.
This is an automatic? Yeah, it's an auto.
Yeah.
It's gotta be for sure.
Oh, this. It's hard to tell.
This ain't it.
No, it is.
No,
Say-
that is.
I think it
100%
is.
is. Yeah.
It is because you can see the black piece of plastic where the shift boot would be normally.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
It's
He's
for
trying
sure
to hide
auto.
it. He tried to
Yeah.
hide his shame, but
This guy seems
Lil
pretty
Cargo,
cool.
don't do this. This sucks. God damn, it's the shiniest tire in the world. You're right, Nicky.
God.
Yeah, no on this one. Here is another Prelude, 99 Honda Prelude, 8 hours ago in Anna, Texas, $57.99.
Oh, I love that green.
yeah, it's a pretty green.
2,250 miles, clean exterior, recently rebuilt engine. This
Hell yeah.
is my son's car who just moved for college. Is my son's car who just moved for college and got a motorcycle for a small town. Pick up in Annastown Square in Anna, off Highway 75 and White Street. Hidden information.
Looks like Kia
God,
wheels.
those wheels look like ass.
Fuck those
yeah.
wheels.
Those are the clip-on to the steel wheels.
Those look like
No,
they're
those are
factory
new-
wheels off of something else. Yeah,
Yeah, they're like new Civic wheels or something.
yeah.
Are
Some
those the ones that always get stolen?
put on Preludes.
Oh, they're ugly.
Yeah, probably.
They are
You
ugly.
want them to steal them.
Interior's nice. I wouldn't even care about the wheels that much. The windshield's cracked.
No.
Yeah,
Whatever.
'cause you could get anybody to trade you stock Prelude wheels. For
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could buy whatever you
How's the
want.
paint though? Looks good.
No, I mean,
guess.
this looks
For a
good.
Texas car, yeah.
It's another take
Yeah,
a
this
look.
might, this
And
might
it's
be
not
a
a bad
decent
price.
deal.
I mean, other than the high mileage, but
Yeah,
Still, you
It's
get
on.
probably a little bit less than $5, maybe.
yeah. At $5,000,
Or
this
just
would
I
be
don't,
five,
I don't
even.
think he'll come down too much, but like, yeah,
He's
5,500
not daily
bucks.
driving it though either. Like this is a weekend car, just a cheap weekend car. I mean,
The sus
Yeah.
part is the recently rebuilt engine. How recent we talking? Like 500 miles ago?
40 miles ago, 5 miles ago.
Just did it this
if it was
weekend.
rebuilt
Yeah.
like 10,000 miles ago, cool.
Yeah.
What's in the back seats?
Bits and bobs.
Yeah, I don't.
There's a bear.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
like it looks like a weird thing in the middle there. Whatever that is.
It looks like an anime girl.
This?
Yeah,
yeah.
the pink thing in the middle. Yeah, can you enhance?
Oh, yeah. I could see Anime Girl.
I don't see it at all. I just see a rectangle thing. I see I see Plank from Ed, and
yeah, I was
Eddie.
gonna say it's like female plank.
I see Anime Girl. I'm with Nick here.
Straight up no on this one, dude. Just straight up no.
No,
No, it's an 03.
But wait.
It's a touring.
Yeah, 03
It says
is
it's one of the
bad.
cleaner manual bodies you'll find on this app.
Yeah, with a transmission.
But is that the
It's an
right
03.
hood? And like
No.
the bumper's not right.
The hood's right. This is like a fake Nismo bumper.
A
It's like a
Gizmo.
Nismo V2. And the angry eyes are probably what's really throwing you off, and also just the fitment.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's
Don't make me get my angry eye. See if you can find that tip clip from Toy Story.
Good times.
yeah. Here is 06 RSX. This looks very cute.
Okay.
Okay.
This is nice.
Okay.
Very cute. No check engine
All
light.
right,
Ready to drive
all right.
anywhere. Serious buyers, please. 10.5 OBO. Lots of goodies. 112,000 miles. Clean title.
Huh.
RPF ones. Looks like great paint.
Yeah,
Damn.
honestly.
Very clean inside.
Ooh.
Wow.
Damn.
Even
Oh,
striped.
and there's only one
striped the carpet.
blemish that's easily fixed in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, he got the red Crown Royal bag. You just need to get the purple one.
It has Ricer Deodorant Gray
Crown Royal
interior.
apple.
Yeah.
Yeah, different liquor bag on that. Look at this. We got the
I-
plastic
yeah,
on the
still got the
RSX logo.
This is good.
This is really nice.
Clean. I would hit this dude up for sure.
What Portage, Indiana? That's kind of close. We can go to Indiana, dude. Let's go. Yeah, you could probably get it for less than 10.
For sure.
Yeah, this immediately to the front of the line.
Yep. Do we need
This is
just stop?
nice,
Just
man.
go.
We'll do
Just go.
we'll do our part by lowballing the shit out of this guy for the next couple of hours. Don't worry.
That's a real winner right there. I like this one a lot.
Yes, 100%. I agree.
Yes.
What's that
Good
you got,
wheels.
Feed? That stuff you use to like really shine the crap out of your headlights on the fist?
Toothpaste.
I don't know what I
No,
use.
it
3M
was like
kit?
some multi-stage. It was
Oh,
It
there's
was
a 3M
amazing,
kit.
though. It was a
There's
3M
McGuire-
Oh, that
Yeah.
kit. Yeah, that
There's
3M kit.
that shit would do wonders here.
Yeah, that shit was awesome.
Oh yeah, yeah, it'd make it look brand
No,
new.
these
Yeah.
this is 100% nice.
If you 3M kit the headlights, put stock wheels on it, you could sell it on Bringer Trailer.
Yeah, you saw
Bet.
bring a trailer with the RPF ones.
Yeah, honestly.
They look good too.
RPF ones don't detract from value, I think, as far as
No,
the
but then you
aftermarket
could
wheel
keep
goes.
the RPF ones and sell them.
That's true as well.
Yeah, but RPF ones aren't expensive to
Yeah, I
begin
was gonna
with.
say they're not that. What are you gonna
Yeah.
gain out of that?
$500.
A few hundred bucks.
Yeah, the
That's a
500
lot
bucks
of
you
work
spent
for
in a
500
headlight
bucks, yeah.
restoration kit and everything else.
In an ideal
that
world,
expensive.
it'd be on factory wheels when it goes on bat. But yeah.
Yeah, for sure. But
Why are we talking about
Either
that?
way-
This is for Lil
No,
Cargo
no,
to
this
own.
is-
And sorry,
this is-
right
yeah.
up, big
No,
old
no, no.
fart can
No.
on there. Hell yeah, dude.
you know what you
This
can do?
is
Take
really
these
nice.
RPF,
Yeah, this is
you
really
can take these
100%,
RPF ones
yes.
off, and you could put Hot Boy wheels on.
Like
This is-
normally, I'd poo-poo the old man color interior, but I don't even care.
No.
You know, like,
It's so
fine.
clean.
It
It's
is.
cute.
Yeah.
Not even farted in.
Yeah.
Where,
Yo, this
Lil
is-
Cargo says, where would I put the nitrous tank? In the trunk.
yeah, in the
Yeah.
hatch.
In a hatch.
No,
Put it
you
right-
put it under the seat. You can take the seat bottom off the passenger seat. You can put under there.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
get a
Oh,
series
yeah,
of
there
very
you go.
tiny little bottles that go in here. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you run a
Yeah.
tube from it straight to your mouth.
Yeah, straight to
Do the
Yeah,
Fast
straight.
and the Furious one where it's hidden under the passenger seat. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
We've been talking about that for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's what we just said.
No,
That's
I was
the
agreeing
Furious
with
one.
you guys. I was agreeing with you. Yeah, just do that. Then you've got your nitrous bottle solved. Yeah.
Jesus.
I was not interjecting it as a new idea. I'm like, yeah, do that.
Yeah, but
Christ
Lil
almighty.
Cargo, this thing's ready for you to ruin with a
This thing is
gigantic wing.
Ready. Yeah.
Yes.
Put a big ass. No, put a second wing on this. Doesn't it have one already? Has a little guy?
Does that have a little guy?
You
Oh,
need
it
more
didn't.
wings.
It does have a little guy, yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
yeah.
so
Put a
that's-
second bigger wing on the back of it.
Within
Oh,
the
like
past
that double
few
one we
weeks,
saw?
Yeah, we saw
Yes.
one with a double. And it
Ask that
was-
350Z guy if he's selling the wing and just slapping it on the
double
ear.
wing, vortex generators, you're set.
Yep.
Oh,
100%.
yeah. You could do the Home Depot lip kit too. Like you go get that big piece of like cardboard and sheet metal screw it underneath the front bumper.
Yeah, the classic 2010 hack.
Yeah.
Guys, look what I just discovered.
Yeah, you get a bigger lip than the one it's got by just going to Home Depot and buying that plastic.
Well, this
Alright,
is top
I get
of
it.
the
I get it.
stack,
You
I
guys
guess.
have never cheaply modded your car. Fine.
No, I know exactly what
whatever.
you're talking
I know
about.
you know what I'm talking about, but these guys, Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
because I'm Mexican, right? I get it, dude. I got you.
I don't know what the
Nismo.
you're talking
This is-
about.
This is not a Nismo. Hey, red flag. Moving on.
Moving on.
This-
Nope.
Oh
No, we don't f- with this car if we see this.
no! Isn't you want what 06 to 08? That's the sweet spot for 350Zs.
I think it's 07, 08 because those get the HR.
Yeah,
you
I don't
might be
think
right.
I don't think you with an 06.
Yeah,
If
350Zs
it's
are.
diamond stitched, it ain't yo bitch. Let's move on.
That's right.
Damn.
Yeah.
Put it on a
Real.
t-shirt. Here is. Damn, there's a lot of these for sale.
Ooh.
190,000 miles on this one. $6,900 nice dollars. Ann Arbor, Michigan.
Noise.
Oh,
Ooh.
is that the same one we saw?
That's the one I sent
Yeah.
earlier.
Just looked at this one. Oh, yeah. We didn't talk about
yeah,
this
that's
one live,
the
though.
meal planner.
Yeah, this is a meal plan car.
The meal planner.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, as I recall.
Needs.
Oh, yeah, that was before the
paint's
stream.
roach.
Oh, yeah,
yeah. The paint's,
Yeah, paint is absolutely.
the paint's roach, but it's a nice car. otherwise.
Other ones have beaten this one out. Man, that
Yes.
RSX.
Yes. Yeah, that
Yes.
RSX was nice.
Too cute.
Bottom of the pile. For
This thing,
sure.
hell no.
Hell yeah.
Hell
Get
no.
out of here, dude.
Unless it has a
Well-
GMV6 in it, miss me with an
wrong one.
RX-8.
12 years of ownership. How many motors?
Motorship.
Motorship.
Love it dearly. Running out of room. Only has 60,000 miles on it. Fires right up. Runs great. This car handles like a go-kart. Blast to drive. 9,500 OBO. I am open to trades, and if I feel like I can make money on it, I don't want a $5,000 clapped-out sport bike, so don't waste my time. Has a bunch of bullshit. The bad. It needs sway bar end links, no power steering, and has holes in trunk from a wing.
Oh yeah,
Just, like,
those giant ass
spackle on
things
'em?
go.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
bad needs a new engine.
Bad needs
imminently.
motor.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
coming. You can feel it.
Yeah.
It's
Will
ready to
need
bust.
motor.
Didn't your brother
Nope, do
buy
not.
one of these, Poochie, and it blew up?
No, it didn't blow up. It lost compression from him not driving it.
But it was like
happens.
it just, the engine tested poorly or something.
Yes, and then he put it on bat, and it didn't do that well.
It got compression.
Yes.
God.
R.I.P.
What a term.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. Shouts out to a real one.
Yep.
Don't buy this. This is stupid.
No, do not buy it. I mean-
No.
Remember
I
this?
wouldn't say.
Don't.
I wouldn't say don't buy an RX-8, but don't buy that one.
Don't buy
That
this.
bout to bust was hilarious, by the way.
Yeah. About to bust an Apex seal.
All right.
Yep.
All right. Clearly, the winner is that RSX.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
100%.
This is
That
nice.
that is by listed 4 hours ago, dude. Like you need to be in this guy's ear.
You need to be driving Indiana right
You need
now,
to be.
dude.
You need to be in this guy's pants.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dead ass.
Dead ass.
On
Hit
God.
him with. Yeah.
This
I
will
don't
be
even,
sold
like-
tomorrow. What's the second best
Yeah.
one?
Oh, that's a good point.
That,
Okay, all right. Let's go. I still got all of them open, so no.
Yeah, definitely no.
Nope.
And that's nothing. This
no.
one's That's
Maybe.
cheap. I'm gonna leave it up.
We can put that in the maybe.
This is a no.
That's
Nope.
the maybe pile. For sure, no.
Nope.
No.
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 Hold on. Let me get out of. No.
Yes. 100%
No.
yes.
All right. Hold on.
No.
Hold on. That was a yes. This is a no.
Yeah,
I mean,
no.
compared to the other one, for $1,000 more, no, absolutely not.
Yeah, like it's
No.
that RSX makes everything else look like trash.
Yeah, for real.
No.
No.
It's not even. It's not gonna be there anymore. 22 weeks ago. Hell no.
Lowball this
swap.
guy. That might be
Who
worth lowballing.
cares?
No on this one. Really,
No.
really, I mean this one over that one. This one is sold.
This one's gone. Yeah.
This is gonna blow up.
Nope.
This is
Yeah.
cool, but it's not a car. And this one's cheap.
The green one. We're back to it. Yeah.
This one's
Yeah.
absolutely not. This one's no, and this one's no. So yeah, it's either that beautiful RSX, the green one for cheap. This black one might
the
be
right
worth
price.
a look. And this is cool.
If it's
Yeah,
still
this is
available.
it.
And that's
That's
a cool
cool.
tissue box.
This is it right here. These three.
So we got a good price range here for you.
Yeah, this thing's really cool.
That is really
That
nice.
is really
That's
nice.
the best one.
Yeah.
If I had 10 grand, I would try to get this for start at 9,500.
That's the one.
Hell
And
yeah.
That's the segment right there. Let me gunsmith cats you, and I hope that was informative in some way.
Beer time.
That's gonna do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, smash like, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Email us directly at collectorcarfeed@gmail.com, and until next time, keep yourself sideways. Collector Car Feed now with over
575.
subscribers.
It's Lil Cargo in the house. Look. Okay, they call me Lil Cargo. My car leaks oil from St. Louis to Chicago. Nowadays I drive a 350Z. Clothes from Adidas, curl from the Middle East. I slap squat, girl, watch me bend my knees. Get inside my Nissan, I am begging you, please. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. My cassette player playing all the funky techno. I said 350Zs, 350Zs. Oh my god, man, I leave oil on the streets. 350Zs, 350Zs. Oh my god, man, I leave oil on the streets.